Hey, man. Thanks for stopping.
Was it a sun flare?
I get no cell service out here.
EMP? Oh, give me an EMP.
EMP? No, man. It's just my carburetor.
What?
What is that, a satellite?
That's not a satellite, man. Take cover!
What the hell is that thing?
You ever used one of these before?
What is this?
KelTec SUB-SDP, or as I affectionately refer to it as the Nub Sub.
Hell yeah.
Coming this summer, the KelTec SUB-SDP, aka the Nub Sub, the most compact, foldable 9mm ever.
I'm out.
Here. It's a pistol.
Right.
Brace yourself for a shooting experience unlike any other.
This is amazing. You gotta tell me all about it.
We engineered them back at HQ, using pure Florida magic. But you know what? Maybe it's best if you tell them about it.
Who are you talking to?
The KelTec SUB-SDP, chambered in 9mm, featuring a 6-inch barrel, braced, foldable, compact, modular, ready for any situation. The KelTec SUB-SDP. Small package, big capability.